What's going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker. And on this channel, I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a bakery and need money for inventory, payroll, equipment, daily operations, or growth, this video is for you. A lot of bakery owners are bringing in customers and making sales every day, but they still run into cash flow pressure when it is time to restock ingredients, cover payroll, replace equipment, or expand the business. In this video, I'm going to break down how bakery funding works, how businesses may access $25,000 to $500,000, what lenders usually look for, and how the right capital may help you cover inventory, payroll, and growth opportunities. Let's get into it. Let's start with the reality of running a bakery. This business has constant expenses. You have payroll, rent, utilities, ingredients, packaging, supplies, equipment maintenance, marketing, and general operating costs. On top of that, many bakery owners need capital for ovens, mixers, refrigerators, display cases, shelves, freezers, delivery vehicles, and store upgrades. Even if your bakery is making money, those expenses can create pressure on cash flow. That is why funding can be such an important business tool. It can help you keep your business moving, stay stocked, and position yourself for growth. One of the biggest challenges in the bakery business is managing inventory and payroll at the same time. Ingredients have to be purchased regularly. Packaging has to stay stocked. Staff has to be paid. If you are running low on flour, sugar, butter, eggs, specialty items, boxes, labels, or other essentials, it can slow down your operation fast. Payroll is also constant. That means even when sales are steady, bakery owners can still feel cash flow pressure from the daily cost of keeping the business running. There are many reasons bakery owners seek funding. Some need money for payroll. Some need inventory. Others need capital for equipment, rent, utilities, repairs, renovations, marketing, or expansion. Maybe you want to upgrade your bakery display, improve your kitchen equipment, open another location, add delivery capacity, bring on more employees, or expand your menu. Some bakery owners need funding for stability. Others need it for growth. The right funding can help with both. Now let's talk about what access to $25,000 to $500,000 can mean for a bakery. At the lower end, that may help cover payroll, ingredients, packaging, inventory, and working capital. At the higher end, it may help with major upgrades, expansion, equipment purchases, remodeling, a second location, or a stronger push into growth. The amount a bakery may qualify for often depends on revenue, time in business, cash flow, and the overall strength of the business. The main point is that funding can create room for your bakery to operate and room for it to grow. One of the most common funding options for bakeries is working capital. Working capital is flexible funding that can be used for day-to-day business needs. That can include payroll, inventory, rent, utilities, packaging, supplies, repairs, marketing, and general operating expenses. This is especially important in the food business because sales can fluctuate based on season, holidays, traffic, and local demand. Working capital helps keep the business stable and gives bakery owners breathing room when expenses stack up. Some bakery owners also need funding for equipment. That can include ovens, mixers, proofers, refrigerators, freezers, display cases, shelving, prep tables, POS systems, or delivery vehicles. Equipment funding can help you get the tools and machines your business needs without paying the full cost up front. That can protect your cash flow while still helping you invest in the equipment that keeps your bakery efficient and profitable. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a bakery for funding. First, they often look at time in business. They want to see some stability. Second, they look at monthly revenue and how consistent your deposits are. Third, they review your bank activity, cash flow, existing debt, and personal credit profile. The important thing to understand is that lenders often look at the full business picture, not just one number by itself. A lot of business owners think if their credit is not perfect, they do not have a chance. That is not always true. Credit matters, but so do revenue, cash flow, deposits, and overall business strength. So if your bakery is generating steady sales and showing consistent activity, you may still have options available. That is why it is important not to count yourself out too early. One of the biggest mistakes bakery owners make is waiting too long. They wait until payroll is tight, inventory is running low, equipment breaks down, or cash flow is already stressed. Another mistake is not knowing the numbers. You should know your monthly revenue, your major expenses, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include mixing personal and business finances, too many overdrafts, applying for the wrong type of funding, and borrowing without a clear plan. If you want to improve your approval odds, keep your business deposits consistent. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce overdrafts and negative bank activity. Keep your records organized. Know your monthly revenue. Have a clear use for the funds, and do not wait until you are already in a crisis. Bakery owners who prepare early usually put themselves in a stronger position. Let's say your bakery is busy, but payroll and inventory costs are putting pressure on your cash flow. Working capital may help you keep ingredients stocked, staff paid, and operations moving without interruptions. Or maybe your bakery needs a new oven, mixer, or refrigeration unit to improve output and customer service. Equipment funding may help you make those upgrades without draining your operating cash. The right solution depends on the actual need inside your business. The right funding can help a bakery grow in a major way. It can help you improve production, keep inventory stocked, stabilize payroll, upgrade equipment, expand your location, add products, improve presentation, increase marketing, and even open another location. It can also help you avoid missing growth opportunities just because you do not have enough capital at the right time. When used strategically, funding can help move your bakery from just maintaining operations to growing with confidence. At the end of the day, bakery funding can be a powerful tool when used the right way. Whether you need $25,000, $100,000, or up to $500,000 for inventory, payroll, equipment, or business growth, the key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not only be viewed as a last resort, it can also be a smart move to strengthen operations and support growth. If you own a bakery and need funding for inventory, payroll, equipment, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business funding content for all industries. And I will see you in the next video.